How to find trending shorts on YouTube. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser on your device. Then go to youtube.com and make sure that you are signed in to your account. In your YouTube, you will land to the home page. On the left side, you will see the shorts section. Click on that. Now you will see all the trending shorts right here. You will be able to see analytics of each short with vidIQ. Now this is the normal part, but if you'd like to see highlighted trending section, then it will be available on the home page. Simply go to your home page and scroll down. While scrolling through your home page, you will see this short section. Here you will find all the trending shorts that are available on YouTube right now. You can even check out the views if you want. And this is not only one section. If you scroll down, then you will find other short section also. As you can see, there are videos that are 68 million views, 2 million views, 4 million views, and so on. So this is how you can find trending shorts on YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you.